Yes. Hello again. This is KERSL Automation one more time. Once again. All right. And I'm happy that you love our videos. Okay. So come on now. Let me show you a couple of things. Now, the other thing I wanted to say is that one of our focus areas for KERSL Automation is to be able to build, design, and build training hardware. Okay. For our technical schools. Okay. If you know of Festo or Gunt, and so forth and so on, we import, training equipment from these kinds of companies. But the biggest problem is that many of our technical schools don't have the dollars, okay, to import. Okay, so what if we have a local company, okay, that can do these machines for training? Okay, then we have several advantages. Number one, you are paying in cedis, right? Number two, we can let you pay in installments, have an installment plan with the institution. Okay. Number three, you have technical support right here locally. Okay. Most of the time, if you import your training equipment, okay, you may have 2 weeks service with it, okay? So they'll come and train your instructors for 2 weeks. They're gone. Meanwhile, 2 weeks is not sufficient for the instructors to really grasp it, to be able to train our students, okay? But if we have a local industry, and you can always call on them, okay? We can run a much longer program to make sure, okay, that the trainers are going to be well, going to be able to grasp the thing well, to be able to do the instruction, okay? And we will always be around to perform other technical support in terms of maybe repairing the thing and so forth. So everything is a plus to have a company like this designing and building automation products for technical support. So that's one of our things. Now, so over here, for example, in our last video, we showed some of the things, right? Did we show the traffic with it? Okay. So here we are building a process control system. Okay. Typically, in many process industry, you may have pressure tanks. Okay, with different liquids. Can be chemical, can be oil, can be this, and you are mixing different things, right? Okay. So let's just say that this is going to represent a process system, and it is going to be a liquid. It's going to be in liquid form, and it's going to be poured into small containers, and they're going to be packed. Okay, so you have 3 process tanks. Okay, you can tell. And by the way, we are going to have panels here so that you can say, okay, mix me 3% of this, 10% of that, 30% of that. Okay, and it will be poured through to this bigger tank. Okay. By the way, and this bigger tank, it has a steerer. There are 2 steerers here. There's a gear here. Okay. There's a motor here, and all these were 3D printed. Remember last time, in our last video, I talked about 3D printing. Okay. We did all these parts ourselves right here by KERSL Automation, and our interns did that. Guess what? You're going to learn something. Okay. All right. So right here, it mixes it, and we are going to have a conveyor belt here. Okay. So when one of the bottles comes below this, then it will pour into the bottle or container, whatever it is. It will move along. Okay. And we will have, just for the training, okay, we are going to have a robot pick and place that will pick the bottle and pack it, pick it and pack it. Okay, so the whole assembly will demonstrate a complete process system. Okay, and depending on the level, we will have several exercises attached to that. So if you are level 1 and you are learning basic process, you may just have exercises for mixing here. Okay, if you are higher level, you may have a conveyor system exercise attached to that kind of thing. Okay, so this system can be complete and have several exercises to it. Okay, Now, we also have a robot system. Where's our robot system?